Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Taurus Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Taurus Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun controls your fourth house, and right now Sun is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Leo. Means Sun is moving in its own sign right now. Fourth house deal with your home related matter is seen from fourth house. Your mother's health, your mother's relationship is also seen from fourth house. Your property is also seen from fourth house. Your conveniences in life is also seen from fourth house. Your emotion, your mental peace is also seen from fourth house. So right now your fourth house lord is moving in your fourth house, and also Mercury is moving in your fourth house in retrograde motion. So we can expect you will get good result regarding your home related matter, your homeland related matters, your property related matter, and your mother's relationship and your mother's health, because your fourth house lord is moving in your fourth house, especially till 17th of September. We can expect good result regarding your fourth house related matter, because your fourth house lord will be present in your fourth house till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Leo, where Mars is already moving. After 17th of September, we can expect your major focus will be your education related matter, your children related matter, your love relationship, your mental abilities, and your planning abilities. Because whenever in transit, Sun is moving in any house, during that time, Sun will illuminate the significance of that house. So that's why we can expect after 17th of September, your major focus will be your fifth house related matters and your fifth house related significance. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people from Sun in the month of September. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your fourth house in its retrograde motion. Means Mercury is moving in retrograde motion from 24th of August 2023 till 15th of September, as we discussed previously in Mercury retrograde video. So right now your fifth house lord and your second house lord is moving in your fourth house. Right now Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. Second house deal with your family related matter is seen from second house. Your speech, your wealth, your savings is also seen from second house. Your money related, your wealth related matter is also seen from second house. Your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Your mouth region is also represented by second house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house. Your mental ability, your planning ability is also seen from fifth house. How smart you are is seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, your boyfriend, and your fun activity is also seen from fifth house. So right now your fifth house lord and second house lord is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect you may get good result regarding your home related matters, your property related matters, and your love relationship. And also we can expect some positive event in the month of September regarding it matter, because your second house lord is moving in your fourth house in the house of home and also control your fifth house. And Sun is also moving in your fourth house, means your fourth house lord is also moving in your fourth house till 17th of September. So we can expect before 17th of September you may have some good event or good ceremony home regarding your family regarding your family members, because your fourth house lord and your second house lord is also moving in your fourth house. Also, we can expect good result regarding your love relationship and your education related matter. After 17th of September, when Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Virgo, means to Mercury house, means in your fifth house. So we can expect after 17th of September, your major focus will be your love relationship, your education related matter, and your children related matter. If you have children right now, also we can expect good result regarding your mental abilities after 17th of September till the whole month of September. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of September. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Venus controls your first house and your sixth house. And right now Venus is moving in your third house in the sign of Cancer. Venus is very important planet for you people, because Venus is your ascendant lord. Venus controls your first house and also controls your sixth house. First house will be you, your personality, your general health is seen from first house. Your nature, means your fundamental nature is seen from first house. Your all the aspects of your life, means first house and the sign in the first house set the map of your chart. So that's why we can say first house deal with your all the aspects of your life. Sixth house deal with your conflict, your argument, your fight, your daily routine is seen from sixth house. Your disease pattern is also seen from sixth house, means your acute diseases is also seen from sixth house. Your loans, your court cases, your hidden enemies is also seen from sixth house. So right now your sixth house lord and first house lord is moving in your third house. Third house will be your younger siblings, your communication, your effort, your cousins, your neighbors. Your childhood friend is also seen in third house, but mainly your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. So we can expect you may have to deal with some argument, some litigation in the month of September, because Venus is right now moving in retrograde motion till 3rd September 2023, as we discussed previously in Venus retrograde video. So we can expect in the month of September you may get some relief regarding the disturbed effect of your communication related matters, your cousins, your younger brothers related matter, because we can expect you are facing many difficulties regarding your communication related matter, your court case, your argument, your fights related matter, your hidden enemies related matter, because Venus was moving in retrograde motion, and on 3rd September Venus comes to its direct motion. Then we can expect relief regarding your disturbed effect which you are facing from last month. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people from Venus in the month of September. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Moon controls your third house, and right now Moon is moving in your first house in the sign of Taurus. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon for every house in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit easily in your chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving in your 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses, and Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, in transit during these days, we can also expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And naturally, malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. And especially problem will come from the house significance in which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. But right now, Moon is moving in your ascendant, means in your first house. So around 6th, 7th, or 8th of September, we can expect you may get some good result regarding communication related matter, and you will flourish and you will have some good news regarding your health, regarding your personality, and regarding your major focus of life. Because right now, Moon is moving in its exalted position. So we can expect positive result around the 6th, 7th, and 8th September 2023 for all the Taurus ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Virgo. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationships in general, your business partnership is seen from 7th house. How you meet others is seen from 7th house. How others perceive you when you will meet others is seen from 7th house. Your relationships in general is seen from 7th house. Your fame along with 10th. Your fame is also seen from 7th house along with 10th house. 12th house deal with your losses, your spirituality related matter, your isolation related matter. All the isolated places is seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement is also seen from 12th house. Your expenses, your losses is also seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house lord and your 7th house lord is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Virgo. So we can expect if you are having some love relationship during these days in the month of September, you can convert that relationship into your marriage if you want to convert that relationship into marriage, because your 7th house lord is moving in your 5th house. The 5th house will be your love relationship, your engagement, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, and 7th house will be your marriage related matter, your relationships in general. And right now your 7th house lord is moving in your 5th house, so we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship in the month of September for all the Taurus ascendant people, especially after 17th of September when Sun will move from your 5th house, from your 4th house. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of September. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of September. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 4th house to your 5th house on 17th September in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus will turn into its direct motion on 3rd September 2023 in your 3rd house, as we discussed previously in Venus section. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 in your 12th house in the sign of Aries. Fourth and last astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your 4th house. and will stay retrograde till 15th September. After 15th September, Mercury will come back to its direct motion in your fourth house. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Taurus Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.